Nawala ko. Imbes kay akong ituplok ko ning baton, lahi ang natuplok. Uy. Lag-lag ko diri sa kong yard. No. Sila. That's me and my bush. My orange bush. Tugnawa. Oy! Ginoo ko katugnaw sa kalibutan. Me and my big tree. Wa na, upaw na. Yan na, dari ang chestnut. The chestnut tree. Nag-change color na po siya ay. Bag-ora ni siya nagsugod og change. Woo! Tugnawa oy, hangin tayo. Kailan katugnaw. Wow, tsada tayo ang color dito sa bukid. Ano na kung makita ba na akong bukid? Di kayo makita, layo kayo na. Kukabalo anig focus. Oh! Go down my house. Colored. What na? Naupaw na gyud ang mga kahoy. Tugnaw oy. Dito sa lain nga side sa bukid. May gamay color makita pero di siya kay klaro kay layo. Gamay ra kay ning. Oh, ang chestnut tree nag-turn color na siya. May ragid ako na harvest ani nga chestnut. That's a chestnut tree. Oh boy, it's too cold. Whew. Let me see the mountains down there. This is my backyard. It's a mess all over the backyard. Right there. The wind is getting stronger. Oh my God, it's too cold. Wow, let me see if I can get the mountain. Whew, cold. Katugnaw. A messy morning. Hi Joyce. How are you, my friend? Oh my God, it's cold. That's the chestnut. It's pretty color. It's pretty. Oh well, it's getting cold. I need to go back to the house. Lamig-lamig, super kalamig. It's really cold, oh boy. I'm going back. just got bored. The mountain's really pretty, but it's too far away. You can really see the colors up there. Down there. Ew. My hands are freezing. Oh boy. It's my apple tree. The apple tree. It's my mulberry tree. Oh, ano ba to eh? Right there. I don't know where it is. Cats are watching me. Yeah, not a lot of nice colors in my backyard. Only that, and that tree. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Please take care of each other. Amping tang tanan, mag-inat tayong lahat.